Welcome aboard JS Airlines. I'm your captain, your guide through the vast skies of JavaScript scope. Fasten your seatbelts as we prepare for takeoff. In the global scope, variables are like the open sky, accessible from anywhere in our program. Function scope is like the cockpit controls and variables. Here are only accessible within this space. Block scope is like the cargo hold. Variables stored here are only accessible within this compartment. Lexical scope is our flight plan. Functions have access to variables defined in their outer scopes. The scope chain is like our crew hierarchy. If a variable isn't found in one scope, we check the next level up. Beware of scope turbulence. Declaring variables without let, const, or var can lead to unexpected global variables. We've safely landed our journey through JavaScript scope. If you enjoyed the flight, like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures.